Security Plus validates the foundational cybersecurity skills. So we consider an international vendor-neutral cert that validates the baseline skills necessary to perform core security functions and pursue an IT security career. How is it different? Well, Security Plus is really the 800-pound gorilla in this area. It accounts for about 85% of all of the DoD 85-7 funding, and that is the U.S. military. They use Security Plus as a mandate for any military personnel or contractor that works with any sensitive information needs to have Security Plus, and that is a good thing. And so the military, they pressure us to update our exams all the time. And so that's one of the reasons why we update it every 3 years, is because the military requested that we did, and we've adopted that into our ISO policy, because all of our certifications are certified by ISO ANSI, and that's the International Standardization Organization, or International Organization of Standardization. It is. It doesn't follow the actual acronym letters. Okay. Some of the key benefits, Security Plus should be the first security cert IT pros take. But mind you, you better have the building blocks before you take Security Plus. Those building blocks are, you have to understand how to support devices, how they connect to the internet, which is an A+, and then you have to understand how the network works before you can secure it. So you need to take Network Plus. So we recommend the skills, equivalent certs, equivalent skills, or the actual certs themselves, A+ and Network Plus, before you take Security Plus. It incorporates best practices and hands-on troubleshooting. You heard troubleshooting earlier. Yes, and that is because Security Plus is focused more on hands-on skills and using tools. Because in the past, you could take an old Security Plus exam maybe 10 years ago, and it would just have multiple choice questions on it. But now we have hands-on labs. So you would have to go in, for example, and work with Wireshark, for example. And you'd have to look at a packet capture and then analyze that data and then take action based on what you've found. Thus, the recent updates, and you see now we're focusing more on risk management. And then I also mentioned, once again, it's approved by the U.S. Department of Defense to meet Directive 8570 and the upcoming 8140. Here is a pathway the CompTIA has. The CompTIA Cybersecurity Career Pathway Recommendation. This is how I usually talk about Security Plus, because it really puts it in perspective to you from an IT career perspective. If you look at this document right now, going from left to right, you would basically go through the career of an IT professional who starts out in infrastructure and then goes into cybersecurity. So this is a path that we've worked on and is actually legally defensible, because it's all created through job task analysis and what the industry and the IT professionals believe are currently the job roles, and that's what we've documented using the industry.
NetCom Learning helps customers build innovative learning organization by achieving a smarter workforce, adapting to change, and driving growth. We do this with a broad catalog of offerings, developing customized learning plans, and our global delivery capabilities. Since 1998, we have been empowering organizations with our managed learning services to help them reach optimal performance results and address challenges. We have 9 practice areas in which we specialize. They encompass people, process, and technology training. Today's presentation is from the security practice area.
And we all do know that technical skills are necessary to empower your career, but do you need to improve or upgrade your leadership skills as well in order to accelerate your career? Along with your technical abilities, you can develop the skills you need to manage yourself, others, and business better. Welcome to Starter Learning, a collaborative knowledge platform bringing the world's best business and leadership insights from Fortune 1000 leaders, best-selling authors, and Ivy League professors. Further, if you are interested in learning from the top American leaders, you can log on to the e-learning platform at sarterlearning.com and simply avail the special promotion meant for first-time users. Use the coupon code SARTER10 and you can begin your leadership journey right now.